ya sithwaleni siyenzile ividiyo yangikhona ngakini ngiyanokusinda yilokhu ya bafuna ukavula futhi ukwazi uyosinda kakhulu futhi wala amanzi sakayekile nentwele lokhu
aphuma
hayi phela mbola uyagcwala ungagcwala welcome guys, welcome to the channel, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're here for the first time, welcome to my home. Just leaving the home now, going to my neighbor's home guys with some goodies. I'm gonna explain more on the video coming next. I just had to call them so that they come and help me carry the goods. They are heavy. Laba ke hambe ya sithwele.
Laba phela.
Tonto bami kambe kathesa kuyalinywa.
Balimile yini? Ya uyabonga salali lokulala.
Yebo kunjani?
Bathi khapha ngapha. Nga. Ulamanga. Ukhaphe ngaphansi nga.
Ma, hello.
Nazazi manje ngibona njani ngabe manje mama.
Umbona wena.
Isithi
Kogi. Yeah. Hi, Babu. Ngihlale kakhulu ngiyenze ngibona ugwaqo futhi ngeqasha ukupheka kathesi. Usemangweni so.
Liyabuyela.
Abona senza ngobusuku.
Wona bela kusasa.
Mele gade sonto ntamba. So semangweni la. So hello guys, we are now here at Natrust Suomu, like Mangwenya guys. So we have come here because we have I left the receipt now. Hey, she receipt. Let's just look at him. It's okay. Anyway guys, it's been a big and a very busy day today. But I just had to make sure that everything has to be, properly done. So anyway guys, I'm here and I'm gonna hand over these groceries to Umangwenya. Okay guys. And this lady is a trust fund. Second, could you trust? Trust. Oh, no, no, so gago. Alice. So guys, we have known this lady for a long time. She's been staying here for a long time. Kalala sala phansi. Somewhere mad. Yeah. Oh. So I'm just gonna hand you over all the things that came from Anonymous. Ngkhona bafuna uqanjibizwe ngo-Anonymous. Thina licasisele ukuthi okwenza ukuthi alithenge ligrocery lenini. Thina imali lithenge. So okwenza ukuthi umuntu lathumela imali lathenga igrocery athi futhi ithengele umama lo igrocery because one of the days ngalungisa inhlanzi inhlanzi alina liyabuya lilonhlanzi kunika imphuphu so ngapho ngiexplainela kona khona konke ku video because umuntu lo ulomusa ukhanya umuntu omiramirayo ukuthi enjani aphile labantu abakhe njani so asithi ufuna nje ukuthi ngimenzele iChristmas box so iphuzile nje ngoba umuntu lethi imali yakhe iphuzile ungeni kwakumele ufike ngeKhisimusi ngathi hayi akulanto embi okukhulu kunjani ufikile ngenxa yomusa wakho iyabe lokhithwa iChristmas box noma sidlula kulandaba ilanga nje but so wasesithi ngicela uyifikisela kumama lo olomsa kangaka ozama ukuthi aphile impilo yakhe labantwana just because ngalimeshena ku video yami ngisenza inhlanzi ukuthi inhlanzi lezi guys ziba nje umama wabuya so wenza so guys I'm just explaining to her how this grocery came about. So I'm telling you that there's a lady who saw the video when I was preparing the fish. You know, she always goes to Shangan River to fish. So I was just preparing the fish. Then I explained that this fish is from a lady who comes here. Then in exchange we give her some millimilk. So there's a lady Anonymous from Canada, who said I need to give her a Christmas box gift. So this is a Christmas box. So she delayed because she said there were some complications and stuff. That's why she didn't have money by the Christmas day. So she said no, it's fine. And I said no, thank you so much just for bringing those gifts. I'll take them to her. So now we are here. This is her home. She stays here. Abazulu abantu abazulu bangayi
hayi lo hamba lo mama wakhe nana la lo mama wakhe ehlala yo1 2 labantu velani ngapha no
uyanini sibona ngizakhipha nje kwesikhashana abahlala lapha kakhulu ben
awuyisa kapha la umunye ngihlala
la so bayi4 lebeli 5
sesi6 esifana nalo
lo ngiyele yake bethola amanzi 2 liters right so lo mzukulu
laba abazukulu be3 wami lo
muyi last boy uthambani Fred yangazi mina mama waDumsani so mama waDumsani mina mama waDumsani kholo uthambani yes Tinash bingelela yaphila ngoba lekele izinja mhlakwana usaba ukulunywa all right Tinash. So these are the kids guys. She stays with these kids and the one more is not around. There are 5 children then so she's a single mom guys. Anyway, now saying Linikes, I'm going to give her the gifts because of time I had to carry my floodlight as well. But anyway, we are here. We have 3 flowers. And then we have 3 rice. Then we have 2 ichugela. Then we have macaroni. We have the cooking oil. ne-Royco. I-Royco so kade lilipheki, ipheki lewe lile 10 phakathi. So ngingafulela umuntu lo wathumela $100. Sethi futhi abantu abayi-2. Usisi wakho umfelokazi lwana unade. So mphongo usha half ngenza ukuthi kubalance ngoba ngapha I think bekungela Royco. So ngenza ukuthi kubalance la wathola i-Royco la wathola 5. Then lapha mbonani kade kulocako. So ngase ngibalancisa la. Mina nje bangifake i-Royco ngapha la ngasefaka icako la. Ngapha kwabuya la icako i1. Balance la mahlamvu la ngase balancisa. Ngapha bekungela mahlamvu ngabalancisa then Vaseline abantwana ngabalancisa salt isefu wathela abantwana ekhogeti okufaka rice tomato sauce sepa then lay green barley sepa food
Usise shuwa konke kwenzakeleyo kuhle kakhulu.
Kakhulu shuwa.
Lapho kuphume khona inkosi ngezelele. Sibonga umusa lothando olwenziweyo. Siyabonga kakhulu.
Amen shuwa. Yena lo muntu seCanada.
Alright.
Kodwa hayi Christmas box yenu leyi.
Sibongile kakhulu. Sibongile inkosi busise.
Wow, you guys, she's very happy, very happy. This is all the grocery from Anonymous. We brought all the groceries from Anonymous, guys. See that? Yeah, bekunzima ukuthwala but I had to sacrifice ukuthi ngifike lapho.
Alright.
Okhunda becharge abangani bayahlanya.
Ngani bakhathile.
Kunzima. Ubona uzofika yathi uyathonga ukuthi thank you. So this is a home, guys. This is a home. She's staying with 5 children. So this is Alice, guys. I don't remember this child. Can you? She's called Alice. She's Salome size, you guys. Salome size. But anyway, she was like, are you Tandy? I'm like, what? Anyway, I want to know cooler, guys. Yeah, so we just grew up with Simpondo. Alice mncane bakithe ngumntwana, but now she's grown. And ngiyolo mntwana ophilowana.
Onke bona labe 3.
We 3 lo. Lo. Oh, lo ngofirst born kaLisi.
Lo ngwesi2 ugcina ngilwana.
Alright, hayi kuhle.
Hayi
siyabonga
shuwa. Sibongile.
Hayi
sibongile shuwa.
Ngizani ke masakami ngizobuyela la.
Alright.
Fakani endlini.
Kizumgana.
Malume. Malume akasuke emlonyeni malume. Walizibambile ethanga. Hey. Solihambe isikhathi bani?
Siphuzile. Uyachiva.
Siyabonga bakithi. Hey. Engwenya la kusasa. Kahle fezilungise kathesi vele. Khulu yazithanda njani?
Utsho njalo uthi
ngihlala ngimthengelele zenothoni ezinye eziyabe zifrayiwe so.
Uleziya.
Utshilo phela uthi yazifuna.
Uba.
Baba. Uthi yazifuna inhlanzi. Utshilo kini.
Utshilo uthi yazifuna athi ngiphoze sendleleni silo Alice.
Uthi bese sigijima isikhathi.
Ngani khamba phathelo anti bachiva.
Hayi kuhle siyafika silungisa kathesi siyabonga bakithi enkosi.
Hayi lathi sibonge inkosi busisa umusa wenu lani. Inkosi ligcine.
Hayi siyabonga shuwa. Kambe ukucatsha ngamuntu ongamaziyo. Kuhle lokho kuyabongeka.
Ubonga kakhulu shuwa.
Awukho lula ukuthi umuntu ekhiphe kumalabela.
Akazakubonga.
Ngoba ngaze ngilikhiphe phela kuma video yami labe libuya nje lisikamanzi kodwa ikaningi labe likhatshana. Alikaze libe like iseduze so. But wabonga ukuthi angifuna ukwenzela umama lo something. So hayi siyabonga sure.
Ngabonga lani kakhulu imtshela sithabile sibonge kakhulu.
Nantsho phela
kuhle konke sikwenzekile.
Yeah, sure. Nasuza ngikhipha lapha negangeni lapha ngisaba lokuhamba ngedwa. Baba neguswini lapha na. Lapha esihlahleni.
Umphezele mfethu mami.
Ngandlulisa izihlahla zana.
Uthi esawuphi ungena izihlahla zanga ngena umgwaqo.
No right. Mlami senisuthi sure. Amashonati kantiro kanofumba ukuthi kunobva kamwe kantiro. Alright, baba lisale kuhle. Kulungile. Alright. After 2 weeks. Alright. 2 weeks ngabe sembuyi. Anyway guys, let's go guys. And it's been dark. It's not dark, as you can see the, how do you call that, the moon laying in Buzi. Alright, good. That's a crow for the goat, the one goat now. Anyway guys, the lady's happy. You know, the way we appreciate is different, you know, but the lady's happy, and we thank you guys for all the love. Alright, for all the love and for all the support that you always give us. People are coming, like they are now beginning to appreciate, you know. Excuse me. At first people would not know or understand what I was doing, but now people they do understand and appreciate. You know, I started doing videos. I started doing YouTube. It was just, you know, funny. Even my close family members were like, what are you doing? But now they are beginning to understand now, because of you guys coming in to help. Now we have a bowl. Now we have trees from Anonymous. I have a laptop from Uncle Tony. We have dog food. We have a lot of things. So I think let's continue this video. I also need to show you guys our dogs eating dog food from Anonymous again. Hey, who does that? So we're gonna continue this video at home. Let's go. Oh, this guy is taking me halfway, guys, because it's now dark. He's just taking me halfway. Let's